In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to generate API keys on your Wix website. This is super important if you're connecting your Wix site to third-party tools, custom apps, automations, or external services that require secure access to your Wix data. Even if you've never touched this before, don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and beginner-friendly. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Wix dashboard. From the dashboard, look toward the top or side menu and click on Setup. This is where Wix manages key configuration options for your account. After the setup page loads, find and click on Account Settings. This will open a new section where you can manage security, billing, integrations, and advanced options related to your Wix account. Now, inside Account Settings, scroll or look through the menu until you find API Keys. Click on API Keys to open the API Management page. This is where Wix allows you to create and manage keys used for integrations. On the API Keys page, you'll see an option to generate a new key. Click on the button that says Generate API Key. Wix will now prompt you to give your API key a name. This name is just for your reference, so choose something descriptive, like the name of the app or service you're planning to connect to your Wix site. After naming your key, click on Generate Key. At this stage, Wix may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. When prompted, click on Send Code. Wix will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Check your inbox or messages, copy the code, and return back to the Wix verification screen. Paste the code in the field provided. Then click on Verify and Generate Key. Once verified, Wix will generate your API key instantly. You'll now see the API key displayed on the screen. Make sure you copy this key and store it somewhere safe, because you may not be able to see the full key again later. This API key can now be used to securely connect your Wix site to external applications, services, or custom integrations. And that's it. You've successfully generated an API key on Wix. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix how-to videos, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.